Hello, we are going to talk about the electron shift, that is the electromagnetic effect. In our previous lectures, we have discussed electron shift in the headings, inductive effects, and mesomeric or resonance effects. Today, we will discuss the electromagnetic effect. Electromagnetic effects. Electromagnetic effect is a temporary effect operates in presence of reagents. It involves complete transfer of pi electrons in presence of attacking reagent. For example, when alkene is attacked by electrophile, the complete transfer of pi electrons occurs towards one of the carbon atom. The electrophile linked with a carbon, forming a carbocation. Similarly, when a nucleophile is attacked on carbon-oxygen double bond, that is the carbonyl carbon, the nucleophile link with carbonyl carbon, and the pi electrons of CO double bond is shifted to the oxygen. There is a complete transfer of electron occurs here also from carbon to oxygen, and here also carbon to carbon. This phenomenon, that is this complete transfer of pi electron in presence of attacking reagent or on demand of attacking reagent, is called electromagnetic effect. It is a temporary effect. It operates only on the demand of attacking reagent. When the attacking reagent is removed, the electrons get back in its original position. The electromagnetic effects are also classified into two categories: plus E effect and minus E effect. If electrons are shifted towards attacking reagent linking carbon, electrons are shifted towards attacking reagent linking carbon, then the effect is called as plus E effect. For example, when the electrophile attacks on carbon-carbon double bond, the electrons are shifted to the carbon to which electrophile is linked. This is the plus effect. The electrophilic addition of carbon-carbon double bond occurs through plus effects. Similarly, minus effects, if the shifting of electrons occurs away from the carbon to which attacking group linked, then it is called as minus I effect. Shifting of electrons occurs away from the carbon to which the attacking group linked, then it is called as minus I effect. For example, attack of nucleophile cyanide group on carbonyl carbon. The cyanide ion shift linked with the carbon, and the pi electron shifted to the oxygen, that is away from the carbon to which the attacking reagent is shifted. This is called as minus I. Now, applications of electrophilic effects. There are two applications of electromagnetic effect. There are two applications of electromagnetic shifts. One is electrophilic addition of unsaturated compounds. It involves the polarization of carbon-carbon double bond by electrophiles such as H plus through plus E effect. This is the carbon-carbon double bond. It is attacked by electrophile H plus ion. H linked with one carbon, and a positive charge is created on another carbon. This is the plus effect. Carbocation is formed. Similarly, in the second application of electromagnetic shift is nucleophilic addition reaction of carbonyl compound. It involves polarization through minus I effect of the carbon oxygen bond in presence of nucleophile. C double bond O plus Cn minus attacks on carbonyl carbon. The pi electrons of CO bond is shifted to the oxygen atom. This is called as minus. Thanks.